Curtis, thank you. Ayong gabi kaninyong tanan.
Ayong gabi.
Good evening. Before I introduce our guest speaker, who does not need an introduction, I would like to ask all unit organization presidents and members of COVO to stand. COVO members and presidents, please stand. Your work has been instrumental in the construction of 2 villages, which consist of 40 homes in Bohol and Tacloban in the Philippines. I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for a job well done. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a warm round of applause. Now, it is my honor to introduce the guest speaker for tonight. Governor Neil Abercrombie is a true friend of the Filipinos who advocates for a prosperous Filipino community by providing work and livelihood opportunities. In Cebuano, matuod nga amigo si Gobernador Neil Abercrombie, kapasalit og mga oportunidad ug mga kapanghunaan para sa magswagong komunidad. For Governor Abercrombie, early learning is really important because kids who go to preschool are going to do better in life. More of them will stay in school, and more of them will go on to college. And it's why Governor Abercrombie has been pushing so hard to make sure as many of our children as possible can attend quality preschool. How about a warm round of applause for Governor Abercrombie for his courage to secure a better future for our children.
All right, go. All right.
I'm gonna say it in Visayan or Cebuano. Si Gobernador Abercrombie nagpanayon. Ang sayo nga pag-eskwela importante kaayo. Tungod kay ang mga bata nga mag-eskwela sa preschool mas daling makat-on. Mas daghan kanila ang kanunay mag-eskwela o mupadayon sa kolehiyo. This is so good for our community, ladies and gentlemen. The goals of COVO are in line with Governor Abercrombie. It's also our mission to help our community for a better education and a better future. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our guest speaker for tonight, our Governor, the Honorable Neil Abercrombie.